Hello everyone, good morning. Hope you are doing well. Today's new thing that's going to happen. I mean to say that my sister is going to drive a car. My brother is teaching her. Before that, I taught her, but my brother is expert to drive a car, and he is very good even like in teaching. So let's see, because this is really what I believe that if we have enough facilities, then we should. I mean, we should aware about all these things. Nowadays, like there is no like gender for the everything to learn, to drive a car or ride a bike, yeah, whatever it is. बिकॉज सबको आना चाहिए चीज़ें एंड खुदा ना करे कभी कुछ ऐसा बट कभी भी इमरजेंसीज आ सकती है हमारी लाइफ में तो ओके सो माई ब्रदर इज गोइंग टू टीच हर लेट्स भाई आगो रे जो भाई आगो रे जो ए गौदीनगर
हेला तर पोग हमने नहीं मिलो ना हेला तर कोल्लू जी से
કોન્ફિડન્ટ રહો થોડા કોન્ફિડન્ટ જીવનમાં શીખવું છે એવું અરે 5 મિનિટમાં ગાડી આવડી જાય આમાં શું યાર